Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Let's draw kids with me step by step. See what I am drawing today with black marker color. See how I am drawing kids. Now draw with me kids step by step. Follow me what I am drawing today. Wow, today I am drawing a beautiful bag. Wow, kids, what is this? This is a beautiful bag. B for bag. Kids, do you draw a bag step by step with me? Wow, I am drawing eyes on bag. A beautiful eyes on bag. Wow, it's a beautiful bag. Now draw stationery things for bag. Yes, kid, what is this? Do you see this bag in cartoon series? Kids, yes now, do you see this bag in cartoon series? Wow, there are so many things I am drawing. Yes, kids, which thing is for bag? Today I am drawing B for bag, alphabet B. This is alphabet B. A beautiful bag. This is Dora's bag. Now coloring with me kids. Yellow color in K for keys. This is keys. I am doing yellow color in keys. Now red color in socks. S for socks. See kids, I am doing red color in socks. Now orange color in B for book. B for book. B for book. Now brown color in side of glass mirror. Glass mirror. Now blue color in mirror and blue color in bottle. B for bottle. B for bottle. Wow, this is a beautiful thing we are pack up in our bag. Now sky pink color in eyes of bag. Wow, this is map. M for map. This is Dora's map. Now yellow color in inner part of bag. This is Dora's bag. Kids, do you see this bag in Dora's cartoon series? Now I am doing green color in Dora's bag. In reality, Dora's bag is purple color, but I am changing colors of Dora's bag. This is a beautiful Dora's bag. Now coloring with me kids step by step. It's very easy to doing coloring in Dora's bag. B for bag. D for Dora's bag. See kids how I am doing coloring. Now coloring with me kids step by step and follow my drawing sketch. It's very easy. You can learn and drawing. Now I am finishing green color in bag. Wow. I am finishing green color in bag. Now doing pink color in alphabet B. Alphabet B. Alphabet B. Now pink color in alphabet B. This is alphabet B.